Right, so we're dealing with this super crusty radiator hose, so we're going to take it off, put some universal on there for the moment, get it to hold water, then we can kind of get this thing warmed up. So we'll just put some of our favourite penetrating liquid on these clamp screws. A different helper in the background there, young Patrick's hanging out. There we go, that was our radiator hose. Alright, so our cap's rated for 7 psi. So we'll put in 7. Look at that. That's our ToolPro radiator tester, pressure tester. Finally found a car it works on. We are losing pressure very slowly, but I can hear it coming back past the cap there. It doesn't have a great seal, but I think that's going to be good enough to start it up and not lose all our water. So cool. Let's release that. So we'll put the airbox back on. Right, so choke out, ignition on. That's the forward gear. Need to find reverse. It drives. No warning lights. Put the choke in. Still needs a wee bit of choke. We'll give it that. Got an ammeter. Got some amps on it. Oh, lights. Oh, that's a bit sad, isn't it? So lights are on. See if they work. Got one. Look at that. Down there. Forward. There's a bit of handbrake in there. This engine's not entirely happy, but it is running. Seems a lot of friends did gassed up quite right. It seems to be having a problem with one cylinder. But yeah, we'll do some diagnostics on that, just because. Put some tools on there, see what happens. Choke's fully in. pudding along there, so yeah, definitely a big problem there somewhere, but it won't be the end of the world. Any more room in the back? Oh, jeepers. Yeah, I really didn't fit in the front, but I'm quite comfy in the back here. That way. It's running. Bit of a rough idle. Look at that, beautiful. So we're missing some of these straps in front there. So it was, I fixed up the coolant leak. It's now kind of holds water, so I was able to run it up to temperature, get it nice and warm, give it a good run for 20 minutes or so. Definitely a bit of an engine issue there. As Zig Gassed Up said, maybe a stuck valve or tight valve or something, so we'll do some diagnostics there. We'll check our valve clearances, we'll do a compression test to see what kind of state the engine's in, and go from there. No brakes at the moment, so we can't really drive it anywhere further, plus it's not registered, insured, warranted, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, we'll figure out what we're going to do next. We'll work out the issues with the engine, and then we'll have a look at the brakes, see if we can get a bit of a brake pedal, so we can drive it a little bit further. Plus we need to clean it, so we're going to work on that this week and go from there. So comment, like, subscribe. Lots of new people come along for the Morris stuff. That's awesome. Nice to see you. Thank you very much. And yeah, we'll see you for the next one. Cheers.